This morning, a trove of images showing decades of unidentified objects is sparking curiosity among starry eyed enthusiasts.
In May 2026, the United States government made a decision that shocked the global community. After nearly 9 decades of total classification, the Government of Defense launched an official portal releasing 162 highly confidential UFO files to the public. Among the data were 28 videos and 14 images captured by advanced military sensors, showing anomalies that directly defy the basic laws of physics, like metallic crafts executing sharp 90-degree turns at astronomical speeds. If these unidentified flying objects are just internet rumors or consumer drones, why did the world's most powerful military spend nearly a century keeping them locked in underground vaults? The declassification of America's UFO archives is not an admission of extraterrestrial contact. It is a cinematic thriller that exposes a multi-decade pattern of administrative psychological warfare, proving that the most dangerous secrets are not from another planet. They are manufactured right here on Earth. The true gravity of the UFO phenomenon does not rely on civilian stories, but on the testimonies of highly trained federal operatives. In 2023, 6 federal officers filed sworn statements detailing a massive glowing orange mothership that launched smaller red orbs before vanishing instantly in mid-air. 2 years later, senior intelligence officials attempting to track these exact spatial anomalies via helicopter witnessed an identical orb accelerate 20 miles away in a fraction of a second, completely outrunning the military aircraft. These encounters are not restricted to our atmosphere. The declassified files include historic transcripts from the 1965 Gemini space flight, where astronauts explicitly used the military combat term bogey to describe a physical, unidentifiable object hovering near their capsule that was entirely separate from their booster rockets or space debris. Furthermore, a preliminary analysis of a 1972 Apollo 70 lunar mission photograph officially confirms the presence of 3 geometrical physical objects positioned just above the moon's surface, a series of revelations that has forced the modern world to question what is truly flying in our skies. To understand why the government allows these spectacular rumors to circulate, we have to look back to where the global hysteria began. Roswell, New Mexico in 1947, when a local rancher found tinfoil, rubber strips, and unique wooden sticks scattered across his field. The local military base initially released a statement claiming they had captured a flying disc, though they retracted the statement the next day, claiming it was merely a weather balloon. A massive cultural phenomenon was born, quickly fueling decades of science fiction movies and alien theories. The reality was exposed decades later with the declassification of Project Mogul. The mysterious debris at Roswell wasn't an alien spacecraft. It was a top secret US military spy balloon designed to monitor Soviet nuclear tests. During the height of the Cold War, the US government intentionally chose to let the public believe in extraterrestrial visitations rather than reveal their secret global surveillance operations. By weaponizing people's imagination, the military created the perfect cover story, allowing them to test highly advanced experimental aircraft like the U-2 spy plane and the SR-71 Blackbird in plain sight, knowing any civilian witness would simply report seeing a UFO. A mapping of the thousands of documented UFO sightings across modern history reveals a striking geographical pattern. These anomalies are overwhelmingly concentrated in areas with intense US military activity, such as the United States, Greece, Iraq, Syria, and the Indo-Pacific near Japan. This distribution highlights a very physical, modern reality. The phantoms caught on high-tech military sensors are not visitors from a distant galaxy, but state-of-the-art electronic warfare and unmanned surveillance assets deployed by global adversaries. Geopolitical defense analysis indicates that many modern mothership encounters mirror newly developed adversarial technologies, such as drone carrier vessels capable of launching swarms of miniature crafts. The elliptical and football-shaped objects recently tracked over Japan and the Middle East match the exact signatures of high-altitude spy balloons programs currently operated by foreign intelligence networks to chart American naval deployments. By packaging these highly sensitive military incursions into context-free, unanalyzed UFO files, the government successfully protects its classified tracking capabilities while deflecting public scrutiny away from real-world intelligence failures. The 2026 declassification of America's UFO archives is a masterclass in administrative misdirection. Health and intelligence organizations heavily criticize the release of these unanalyzed files because providing raw mystery without context directly fuels conspiracy theories, pseudoscience, and public paranoia. But for an administration facing domestic crisis, structural failures, and leaked financial scandals, flooding the news cycle with historic alien files serves as the ultimate geopolitical distraction. The true realization is deeply sobering. In the high stakes game of global supremacy, governments do not hide the existence of the aliens to protect mankind from panic. They weaponize the myth of the alien to protect their own secrets, leaving a society entirely blind to the very human, very dangerous technologies currently shifting the balance of power on our planet. If you knew the government used the myth of aliens to conceal its darkest military secrets, would you ever look at a light in the night sky the same way? Let me know in the comments.